Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Facing the lockdown, I became aware of using all the ingredients in my refrigerator and pantry. So today I am sharing a savory peel fry recipe. It's the pumpkin peel fry, or in Bengali we call it kumror khosha bhaja. So let's get started. Cut the pumpkin into segments, de-seed and peel it. Try to keep the peels longer. It will be easier to chop them. All pumpkin and squash skin are edible, but we only use Kent pumpkin in our kitchen. The skin on Kent pumpkin isn't as tough as others, so it's safe and edible and even tasty when cooked well. Let's check the ingredients now. Pumpkin peel 2 cups. Mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Slitted onions 1/3 cup. Chopped garlic half teaspoon. Chopped green chili half teaspoon. 1 whole red chili. Cumin seed 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, Bhaja masala half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, sugar 1/8 teaspoon, bay leaf 1 piece. Now heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Heat it really hot and lower the heat before adding the tempering. Add bay leaf, dry red chili and cumin seeds. Let them sizzle for few seconds. Keep the flame medium. Now add chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, slitted onions and turmeric powder one by one. Saute them for few minutes and then add chopped pumpkin peels. Now mix them very well and add salt and sugar. Cover and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring in between. I have not added any water, but you may sprinkle some water if necessary. Now, time to check. At this point, add Bhaja masala. Put the flame high so that the mixture should be dry. Stir fry them until the peels get soft and little toasty. Dear friends, if you enjoy the recipe, give it a like, share, comment and feel free to subscribe my channel. Now cover and give the recipe 5 minutes standing time. Serve hot with rice and dal. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye.